Friday at 8 p.m. as we're going to be seeing 2 days here where we'll see feels like temperatures over 95 degrees. That's going to be tomorrow between about, say, 95 and 98. And then on Friday especially, we'll see feels like temperatures in the triple digits. So it will be significantly warmer the next 2 days than it has been over this last couple of days. So far this week, it's been pretty nice. We've got a ridge of high pressure that's going to be building in across the eastern U.S., helping bring in this heat and humidity. We also have high pressure at the surface, which is moving offshore, bringing in a southerly flow. So that's going to continue to bring in the heat and humidity as well. In terms of record highs for Thursday and Friday, our record high on Thursday's day is 97 degrees, which was set back in 1987. We're forecasting a high of 92, so it's likely that we're not going to be beating that record or coming close to it on Thursday. On Friday, however, our record is also 97. This one was set back in 2001. We're forecasting a high of 96, so we do have a better shot of at least tying that record, maybe even beating it. We'll have to wait and see. But we have a better shot of challenging that record on Friday. It looks like Thursday's record will hold steady. As we take a look at the next 7 days, after we get through Thursday and Friday, our temperatures do start to level off a little bit more. So the good news is we're not expecting a long stretch of extreme heat. It's just mainly confined to Thursday and Friday. And then we're going to be seeing temperatures making a return to normal for the rest of the weekend and really into the first part of next week. Our average high temperature, by the way, remember, is 85 degrees. So when you factor in the higher humidity and those warmer temperatures, our feels like temperatures on Thursday between about, say, 94, 98, and then on Friday we'll be in the triple digits back into the weekend. We're going to be seeing our temperatures returning closer to normal feels like temperatures and actual air temperatures as well. Now, your satellite and radar right now shows a little bit of some sun mixing in with some clouds at the moment. We're going to continue to see sun mixed with clouds for the remainder of the day today. Temperatures are going to be ranging in the 80s, low humidity as well, so that's some good news there. And then we're going to be looking at maintaining clear skies during the overnight hours. You'll notice that overnight tonight it's going to be a little bit milder than it has been during the last few nights. So tomorrow morning will be a slightly milder start, and that's thanks to us hanging on to a little bit of a breeze coming in out of the south during the overnight hours. So we'll start tomorrow off with temperatures in the 60s, about 10 degrees warmer than it is right now. And then for your day tomorrow, this is your futurecast picking up this time tomorrow. You can see we will continue to see sunshine, that southerly breeze bringing in the heat and humidity, so it will be hotter tomorrow. And then on Friday, we're going to be looking at a mix of sun and clouds for the majority of the day. It will be very hot and humid with temperatures getting into the middle 90s. And we will see a good amount of sunshine for the majority of the day. We do have a cold front on the way for later on. That will bring us a chance to see a few strong to severe thunderstorms, primarily after 3 p.m., lasting through the evening commute. Main concerns there going to be some damaging wind gusts, as well as maybe even the chance for some hail and, of course, some minor flooding that could be associated with some of the heavy downpours. All of Western Mass is under a marginal risk for severe weather, which is a 1 out of 5 on that scale. So we're going to continue to monitor that situation as we draw closer to it. But we should take away from this is that Thursday and Friday are both first alert weather days. Saturday is looking like a nicer day. Sun and clouds with temperatures in the 80s with a few storms returning by Sunday. All right, let's look at your forecast. And now it is time to play Hometown Scramble. And today's theme is nice July day. So we have had really a nice stretch of a couple days here in July where we've had temperatures that are not oppressively hot, at least as of recently, and also the humidity hasn't been too bad either. So that's today's theme. Beautiful summer day. So the 3 words here are nice July day. Of course, couldn't find any towns in Western Mass that have a J in it, so that is in parentheses because we don't have any Western Mass towns with a J in it. But otherwise, let's see how you go. Let's see how you do, Slim.
I have to say, Liam, I like this theme. Nice summer day.
Yeah.
Maybe that's how it works. Maybe you do Hometown Scramble, and then that impacts the weather, right? You brought us this nice day.
Maybe I can manifest it.
Oh, okay. So what's standing out to me immediately is that V. Does this have Ville in it?
Yes.
Granville.
Yeah, yep.
Okay.
So the first one is Granville. So we don't really have many towns also in Western Mass that have Ville in the name. So yeah, that does kind of narrow down a little bit.
Things down, yeah.
Now the second one is a hint for this one, 2 words.
2 words. Okay, my first thing I always look for is direction. Does this have south in it?
Yes.
South Hadley.
Yes, South Hadley. And then the last one is actually kind of easy because it's...
You already had me primed for this, Liam. That's got to be Hadley.
Yeah, this one is Hadley. Can you say the winner one more time? Dan T is the winner. So congrats to you, Dan.
Congratulations,
And we'll be back
Dan.
next week for Hometown Scramble again. Back to you, Sloan.
Thank you, Liam.